Now I'm back to my original spot where I started to learn my Greenland rolling. So now I'm using a different kayak. So let's see if I can do any better with this. Hopefully I should. Okay guys, the moment of truth. My first roll with my Greenland T. Okay, that was my first roll and it was successful, but just barely. Oh my god. Definitely much easier because I could lead right back. The big difference is that I could do this without a problem. The biggest difference I feel is that the depth of the Greenland T is so narrow. I wasn't used to how far I need to put the paddle on my chest. Well, I remember with the KAYAK I have to go like this because it was so far away from the surface. Well, here it's so close. With me not getting used to it, my paddle was diving into the water. But definitely feels very good rolling, I have to say. Okay, so I didn't need to do a wet exit, which is very good. Now, just thinking about the rolls just then, I'm using a lot of power, I'm using a lot of force instead of using grace and using the body. Yeah, so now I think what I'm going to do is just understand my body a bit more by using the Gearlab float and just float around and just see how my body moves around, because the float itself is so supportive. I don't think I'll have a problem learning from using that to just practice. Oh, that's my first, okay, albeit a very bad one, that's my first forward finishing roll. A really bad one, but I made it up. I didn't hit the bottom. Okay, so that's my first ever. Quite an achievement, I think. I just need to do a bit more leg drive. And I think I'm getting a bit of blisters in my knee inside because I'm just really pushing. I'm pushing instead of doing that leg drive. But oh, my second attempt and I got it, but again, really poor form. I noticed my body is not close to the deck at all, and I think I hurt a bit of my shoulder, so I completely understand when people say you have to be careful of that, because I was using a lot of force with my shoulder. What I should be doing is getting closer to the deck and doing like a crunch. I don't think you guys saw, but I just did my first butterfly roll. My first butterfly roll, yes. I've done 2 rolls today. One more time before I go get some rest. Okay, so it started to rain, so I stopped. But I'm really satisfied with the rolls that I've done today. I mean, the Greenland standard roll I expected to do, but I didn't realize how easy it was going to be with the Greenland T. And then with the forward finishing roll, although I did a really bad job at it, I was still able to do it twice actually. So, okay, so never been done. I've attempted it before, but I couldn't do it. So this is the first time I succeeded twice, and I'm just going to stop at that for now. And next time I'm just going to practice more and reassess watching my videos to see where I did wrong. And then I also attempted the butterfly roll, and I've done it before on the KAYAK, but I never succeeded. But I just tried it twice and I succeeded twice with the butterfly roll. So what a day. What a day for me. So happy. Now, the whole reason why I got the Greenland T is so that I can practice these rolls. Honestly, I didn't think I could do so many. I feel like it's quite an achievement today. I need to get better and confident enough so when I'm in the water, I can do it. What should I do for my last roll? I'll do my butterfly.